the R.P.R.A one-off race 2011. This is the youngest birds that came in yesterday. We had 6 from Joseph Nasorio, the dark bush arts. All nice on the R.P.R.A's bedding. So those are the youngest, and we'll go down each section for you to see. We have last weekend's intake. Each section's got its own hopper until they're older, until they're rationed to keep them under control. On the R.P.R.A's bedding again, which is changed frequently. We have pink powder on the perches. Every youngster has got a box, which we think is paramount for their happiness. Unlike some one-off races where they have them on V perches or poles, they don't tend to get a bond. It's more work for us cleaning out, but that's the way we prefer it. Come on. We go around them, making sure they're all picking up and drinking. But a fine bunch of youngsters there. So we go down to the next section. Come on out. These are slightly older. As you can see, they're just having their breakfast. At this age, they're virtually on ad lib. They just clear up what's left in the hopper, the barley, so they're not fed too high in protein, just enough. Every young bird is looking well, eating well, so very pleased with them. There's Alex putting the pink powder down and sand. We use a mixture of 1 part kiln sand, 1 part pink powder, which is a mixture, which is salistin, which kills all viruses, bacteria, keeps everything nice and dry. These youngsters will be joining the main batch of 2 sections next week. We don't like to mix them too early. If you mix young birds too early all together, then you just get problems, young bird sickness, eject, so you've got to keep them separate for at least 2 weeks. Now we're on the oldest. These are going out in a couple of hours time. I will give them a bit of food on the floor. As you see, Alex is putting powder on every perch, scraped every day and powder again. the only way to keep the young birds healthy and happy. Plenty of deep litter. The first one in the loft, Strawberry Mealy, Pentralofts. He likes to see his pigeons. Mealy pied and white grizzles, mixture of colours. Come on. Come on. Come on. These will be going out about an hour's time after just a little bit like breakfast. And then in the afternoon when they're called in, the hoppers are put back in and they can have a full feed until they're darkened down at 6 o'clock and then opened up again at 8 in the morning. So they get a full crop every day, breakfast in the morning, and that's their routine at the moment. These will be going out soon. That's it for today. Showed you the young birds, and I'll do a quick video of the yearlings this afternoon.